for about us will be, hindi home, ito ang homepage eh. So, hindi pa alam kung nalagay dyan. Yung about us will be named Our Voyage. Our services would be trade routes. Lighthouse would be, dito na lang siguro lighthouse. Lighthouse would be, parang news yan eh, pero more on news or announcements. And then yung, instead na contact us, it's called home court. So here, kunyari, so ayan yung homepage. Pag pinindot yung N, that is yung about us or which we call Our Voyage. Ito yung labas. Nasa soft copy yung email, di ba? I-kinaward mo naman, no? Nasa soft copy yung content. So, note here, ito, so, contact us about us. So, yan yung select, yan yung N. Sulat sa N.
Our Voyage.
Oo. Yan lang sa N.
Okay.
So, let's go to letter E, trade routes. Instead na our services, trade routes. E. So, ganitong appearance, trade routes. Yung font pala si AD na mag-decide kung ano.
Okay.
Yung ganito siguro medyo may style na bagay sa theme. So, finance and management consulting. Bulleted type, as is, ganyan. Then, under finance and management, yung mga sub-ano niya is hyperlinks. So, underline hyperlinks. So, ayan, that in this one. Tapos, clickable. Siyempre, hyperlinks. So, ayan. Tapos, may content yan, nasa soft copy, separate content kung ano yung, pag kinilik nga, for example, somebody click offshore solutions. Click! So, may lalabas na another, what's that? Another scroll. So, lalabas offshore solutions, so kung ano yung content niya. Siyempre sa baba, button for back to trade routes. Back to trade routes. Babalik, meaning babalik dito sa main ng trade routes.
Okay.
Next is Lighthouse. This is W. So, Lighthouse na muna, leave blank. Scroll.
Okay.
Sorry. Lighthouse, leave it blank. Will upload content when instructed. So, mga news yan or whatever. And of course, letter S is the home court or other name for contact us. So, yan. Yung main meaning the headquarters is the Hawaii address. Then, so our Hawaii address, telephone, fax, ito follow, then email. And then here, sa right side niya, hindi ko lang nagawa sa soft copy, then hindi ko alam gawin. We will be glad to hear from you. Then box. Name, parang fill upan. Company name, address, designation, telephone, mobile, email address, then the message box. Parang message box siya. And then of course, submit button. Nadidiretso sa...
Bali dito, submit and clear.
Oh, yeah, submit and clear. Very good, AD.
Okay.
Clear, para kung magkamali. Submit and clear.
Okay.
Submit. Tapos, pag click yung submit, didiretso siya sa email ko.
Okay.
Sa email me,
Okay.
pangit ako.
Okay.
Sa email ko,
Okay.
which is yung at
Sige, pa-provide na lang.
Oo, saka na. Pero itong info, magkakaroon talaga ng info. And then sa baba nito, ito na yung page ng home court, meron nakalagay na other post.
Okay.
So sa other post na yan, merong map na background. Not this blue, but similar to the theme. So similar sa ganyang effect. Wala lang kami mahanap or magupit. So ganito. But the map should include USA, na may nakalagay na Los Angeles and Hawaii. And then it should include Japan, Asia, Japan, and the Philippines. Kasi yan yung 4 offices ng Ganesh Capital. So you can see here there's 4 sailboats. Sa Los Angeles, sa Hawaii, Japan, and Manila. So these 3, kahit wag na yung Hawaii, should be clickable. So if the mouse is pointed here, for example in Los Angeles, may lalabas na address ng Los Angeles. Small lang, yung contact information.
Bali pop-up lang siya.
Yeah, pop-up lang ng address, telephone, fax, and email. So, the content is also provided dun sa soft copy ng email.
Okay.
So, here. So, ito yon. Sa email, tingnan nyo na rin, sa email kasi walang A, B, C, D, E, for questions,
Okay.
seek help from AD.
Basta lagi lang kayo
Yeah.
magtatanong dito. And also, Sam is always ready kung ano man yung mga question nyo. Ayan.
Yeah. And here, yun yung D, E, F, G.
Ito yung
Ito
DF.
yung sa management consulting.
Actually, kinukunan ko lang yan para alam nyo kung ano yung tsura because we will be scanning
Ganitong
this.
appearance.
O, ganyan yung appearance para lang di kayo
And
makita.
this one, ito yung content ng pop-up.
Okay.
Kung Los Angeles lang. Kung Manila. Tokyo, leave it lang. Wala pang address. Tagahanap pa tayo ng casa.
Okay, so wala ko tayo office time.
Okay, whoever's doing it, Monday, birthday ni David, make it his gift na lang daw na matapos yung website.
Okay.
And before Jeff arrives on the 20th. Bye-bye.